Hello everyone, this is Sakib and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in the video I am going to talk about that how you can learn English without having anyone like real life partner. So in this video I am going to give you few tips, tricks and my opinions that how you can learn. So without any further ado, let's get started and find out. So before I give you tips and tricks, I would like to suggest you an application that is really helpful. And the application name is Sivi. And it is on Play Store and it has 500k plus downloads. So let me show you the demonstration of this application. Like what are those features in this application. So first I'm going to click on this icon Sivi, and after clicking on it you will get this type of view over here. Like you can see practice with real people, AI English teacher, grammar lessons, grammar correction, grammar quizzes every day. So these are the features. So you'll have to click on this get started and you'll have to enter your mobile number. After entering the mobile number you will get OTP. Okay, now you are verified. After verifying you will get to see this type of view over here. You can see like 4 lakh plus active learners connect with real people. So you will get 30 minutes each day to practice your English with anyone. Okay, so this is the first feature, and now let's talk about the second feature. So it is AI powered English tutor, area personal teacher. You can talk with AI powered teacher and that will correct your grammar mistake. So you will get only 20 minutes demo of this feature. You will get only 20 minutes demo of this feature. But if you will buy pro plan of this application, then you are going to get free feature. Then you are going to get free unlimited tutoring of this application for 1 month. It is up to the plan. Okay, so you can see the grammar lessons. You will get grammar lessons, you can get grammar correction, you will get grammar quizzes every day new. Okay, so these are the features. Okay, now you understood, now you got to know the feature of this application CV. So you got to know the feature. The first feature was uh, you can practice with real life people. There will be 4 lakh plus active learners, and you will get 30 minutes each day to practice your English with anyone. And second feature was AI powered tutor. So you can talk with AI powered tutor. But if you will buy pro plan of this application, then you are going to get free everything free, unlimited call, AI powered tutor free for 1 month, 2 month. It is up to your plan. And if you are going to buy pro plan of this application, then you can use my code Sakib 10%, Sakib 10, and you are going to get 10% off on any plan. So the link is in the description. You can download and check out this application. This app is really helpful for you if you will use this application. So go for it. And if you will love this application, if you will download more and more, then I'm going to make a separate video on this application and I will show you that how to use this application and how to use the feature. So go and download. The link is in the description. So let's talk about opinions and ideas that I was talking about initially. So let me tell you the first tip. If you are alone, then you can talk to yourself. Like choose a topic, simple topic, and try to talk about that topic. Okay, and if you will talk to yourself, then there will be no one to judge your English, judge your pronunciation, that yeah, he is making wrong pronunciation, he is making wrong sentences. There will be no one, and you will be confident in yourself while talking. So talk to yourself. It is really a good method. I also do this and I also used to do this. This is why I'm preferring to all of you guys, so go for it and try to talk to yourself. And if you are talking to yourself, then try to record your voice or even make a video. Okay, if you will make video or if you record your voice, then you are going to get corrected, like where did you make mistake. When I record my voice, when I record my video, then I see
after after recording, I see my videos that where I made mistakes. If you are making mistakes and if you are not correcting them, then you are doing wrong thing. Do mistakes, but learn from them and try to correct them. Then you are going to be improved. If you are wrong, if you are if you are making mistakes and you are not correcting them, then you are not going to be improved. Make mistakes but learn from them and correct them. Okay. And after that, be confident always. If you are talking to yourself or with anyone, then be confident. If you will be confident, then they are not going to judge you. Okay. Be confident always, so these were my steps. And please download that application that I mentioned in my video initially. If you will download that application, then you are going to become fluent in English by living at in your room. So if you found these tips helpful, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share your experiences in the comments below. And until next time, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye for now.